friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. Oh,
come get ready with me. Happy Mother's Day, our last Mother's Day in Alaska. And y'all, fit check. We looking like a bunch of pip dopey smalls. Hey, it's pink. I had to get, I just had to do. And y'all, I'm gonna break my neck in these shoes. I am gonna break my neck. But anyway, got the family together. Really didn't get a decent picture, but I got enough. I got everybody looking. That's good enough. So let's hit the road, okay? Just looking, just period. Just looking. Look how I look. So first stop, we're gonna get some ice cream, and y'all, we are always overdressed. Look at my family, and look at everybody else. Cali us, Chicago us, please get us out of here. But we end up going to Arby's because line was too long. Next is he got money. A little expensive restaurant. Y'all, wait till y'all see these prices though. Wait till y'all see these prices. $40. That better be the whole lamb. Okay, y'all, this is so cool. I'm not used to shit. Little salad. Y'all see it. Kevin Samuels, where? Okay then. I was surprised he eat it, but no, he eat anything. I was surprised he ate it. And my little teenager. Y'all, it took so long. I was falling asleep. Why do these restaurants take all day? But food coming, he mad. He's so funny. His phone was out. His phone. Why he didn't get what I got? I don't know. He mad. Kids got pizza. I got the little lamb chops. Y'all, that was fine. That was fine. And why nobody ever tell me asparagus is so good? That was so good. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my purple drink and I know my grandma. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.